Hi guys, super close up. So half my face is numb because I just came back from the gym, and I figured I would take you guys. I said the gym, the dentist. I just came back from the dentist. What? I figured I'd take you guys with me. I'm gonna go food shopping. You guys can see what I buy. Even though I've done something similar like this before, I figured, I closed my jacket in the car. I figured I'd show you guys what I get when I go places. It's gonna look kind of crazy because I'm gonna be walking around with a camera. And I like to do things early. Oh my god. My face is so numb. I look crazy. Like, this is ridiculous. I don't feel like hooking up my camera thing to the car. You know, like that holds my camera. So I'm gonna put this camera down, and I'll see you guys when I get to the supermarket, because yeah, I just don't feel like holding the or putting it like up here, you know. It's a process to get it up there. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. I want to know why there's 1,005 people at freaking Whole Foods today. There's so many people here. Like, there was nowhere to park. This never happens on a Monday. Only kind of juice that I buy, if I do buy juice, what do we get? This is the only kind of turkey bacon I get if I do eat meat. I'm just vlogging because it's so annoying. Get out of here. You're so annoying. Go away. That's why I'm going to put you on camera now, just because.
No.
Yeah, now you want to be a jerk. Now you're, apparently, you guys, they only sell these in these little boxes now instead of like full jars. And I need this for the coquito. It's annoying. Mom, get out of here. You're being annoying. We just conquered Whole Foods. Now I'm heading off to Trader Joe's. I literally, on my food shopping days, I go to like 5 different markets. Don't mind my nail, I broke it. Probably take you guys to get my nails done with me soon. Still swollen and numb, so my face still looks crazy. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Heading into Trader Joe's. I'll just show y'all what I get from here. Heading to Produce Junction. I get all my produce from you guys. Hi guys, so I am back from the store. I want to show you guys how I organized my fridge. And these are my little Noosa yogurts, my strawberry preserves I get from Johnson's Farm. Those are some yams I made that are still in the container. And this is where I just like store all my cheese and butter. And then in this little drawer, we have like lunch meat, cheeses, pepperoni, stuff like that. And then I have some produce here that I got from Produce Junction. We have strawberries, cherry tomatoes, my garlic cloves, some peppers back there, and then my beets that I use to make beet juice, carrots, spinach, water, eggs. And then down here I have like my almond milk, my heavy cream. This is going to be to make the Alfredo sauce. I'm going to do a video on that, so I had to prepare and get this. And then these are Red Jacket juices. These are my favorite juices, you guys. Okay, so here's the thing. I don't drink juice. I mainly just drink like iced tea, like homemade brewed tea. But when I do drink juice, I only buy this cold pressed Red Jacket from Whole Foods. It's rather pricey, in my opinion, for the size. This is what a 32 ounce, and it's like $5 almost. To me, that's a little expensive for that, but I get it because I love it. Otherwise, I juice everything. So here's some more water, and then this is everything that I juice. So I just have some cilantro here. I don't juice that, actually. This is for like when I make rice or just different things. But I have some broccoli back there, some spinach, some kale. These are some coconut shavings that I got. I just wanted to grab some. And then I have tomatoes down here, and then all of my fruit like pears, apples, limes, stuff like that goes down there. Then this stuff is just like condiments, you know, simple stuff. So I'm doing a painting. I don't know if you guys know that I actually do art. I'm doing this for my boyfriend. He's obsessed with Martin, so I'm doing this for his birthday. Martin's not gonna have a face in this one just because I have to fix that M-A-R-T, like his name, but I didn't want him to have a face this time. I kind of wanted it to just be like a blank space. I'm not gonna go in these corners here. I'm gonna leave them a little space between them so I can go in with a finer brush and really perfect this. I don't want to mess it up. I mean, I don't want to mess it up, so that's why I'm doing it this way. So I just wanted to show you guys. I know some of you know that like I'm an artist. I rarely paint or draw. I only do this like once a year, and that's for my boyfriend, for like holidays and stuff, just because I'm not really like into art the way that I used to be, like I was in high school. Like when I was in high school, I wanted to low-key be an artist, but now I kind of just don't. I don't know, it's just a hobby now. I cannot find my art supplies, so we are using a container top as my, I forget what that thing's even called. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my artwork. When it's done, I'll show you the full product. But this is it. So this is where we're at with it. I can't figure out if I want to like draw a mustache on here or if I want to just leave it blank. I don't know what I want to do. But it's done. All I have to do is just, I think I might do a mustache. I'm not really sure, but I'll let y'all know in a sec what I'm gonna do. Guys, it's done. I sort of messed up on the letters. I wanted them to be thicker, but I have like an OCD issue, so I kept going over them and over them and over them and over them and over them, and then I messed it up. So this could look better than what it does, in my opinion, but I might do another one just to perfect it, because I don't know if I really like this one. But we tried. Make sure you guys follow me on all social media and stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. Love you guys. Bye.